this is how much is on my PayPal balance after just using this method for 2 days. And here's another earning page where I've earned about $503 from this exact same method. And today I'm exactly going to show you how you can do it. Imagine what you can do with all of this money that you will be able to make. This is probably a life-changing moment for you. You could buy a new car, a new phone, and everything, and much more. And look at how much you can be earning every day and every week. And it is quite amazing how easy it is to earn using this method. And today, exactly, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that easily without any investments. And let's get started. Hello everybody, Make Money Boss here. I am back again with another video, and today I have exciting news for you guys. I found an amazing new method to earn money, and today I will be sharing you on how you can exactly do that. And now you can see how much I've actually earned. So here's my PayPal balance screenshot from just doing this for like a few days. Already $1,309, and on another website that I also used alongside with the method to increase my earnings, I got $503 from this. Exactly. And it's a lot more than $503 combining all of the money that I've actually earned. And I will be also showing you how you can double your earning easily. So let's actually get started onto this. So the first website you're going to go to is called respondent.io. Respondent.io is basically a website where people work and do stuff and everything. It is a very awesome website where you can do a lot of things. Now, the first thing you need to do on this website is basically sign up. But let's look at their website features. They can do product research, explanatory research. It's basically a research company where you post a project and people actually do the research and get paid. That's the case for you. You're gonna join their research and get paid for just answering questions. That's basically quite the frankly what you're gonna do. And you can see they've been trusted by Intercom, Oracle, IBM, huge companies like Microsoft. So you know they are a legit company. So now let's go ahead and sign up. So when you're gonna sign up, click on that get started and make sure you choose participant sign up because that is very important because you want to get paid. And if you sign up for researcher, then you're not gonna get paid because you will be the one paying people. And that's basically not what we're gonna do. We're gonna earn money. So sign up for participant. And when you do sign up for participant, boom, you will be taken onto your account. And on the homepage, you will see a lot of jobs available that you can easily attend here. So many jobs here, high paying jobs. And let's say you want to check out their other jobs too. So let's go ahead into the website and click on their participants. And let me show you some other things that they're providing. Let's go ahead and see how much they pay you actually. So the first thing you can see here is software developers. You can be earning up to $200 from this. For marketers, you can be earning 150, but for executives, $700. That's insane amount of money. So the highest paying ones are basically business owners and executives. So I suggest working on these two categories since they're the highest paying one. And by the way, stick till the end to find out about the secret strategy that I will be showing you today. Now, before we get into it, let's say how am I gonna get paid from this? So the thing you're gonna do is go on PayPal and sign up for an account. It is that simple to sign up for PayPal. But let's say you do not have a PayPal account. That is completely fine, and you can just create the PayPal account. But let's say you don't like PayPal, you don't want a PayPal account. You can simply go on online banking near me and sign up for free online banking near you. It is very simple to get an online banking near you and sign up for a bank. But I would highly suggest sticking with PayPal since that's the most convenient and easy to use way to earn money here. All right, let's go back to Respondent and let me show you how you can sort out things to earn money like a pro. So when you're here, you're gonna be able to get options for search projects by keyword, filter. I'm gonna click on their filter button, and then you can see a lot of options for audience and everything. So now the thing here is it's important for you to choose remote because you're gonna be working from home and not going onto an actual place. So working at home is the easiest way to earn money here, and definitely that's what I've been doing here all along, and I've been able to earn lots of money from this. And on the time and compensation, you can also choose a lot of things like how much minimum you're gonna get paid. So let's say you want to get paid minimum of $100. You can also do that here, but I'm just gonna keep it at 5 because why not? Now let's go ahead and click apply. And then you can see lots of options for lots of jobs here. And you can be applying for lots of jobs here and research, and you will be able to earn lots of money. For this run examples, you can see research for, you're basically going to answer a question here. So when you click on here, you're going to get an option for start screener. So when you click on start screener, what they literally basically take you to a page where you can enter your name, your age, your gender, and that's all you got to do. And do the question and answer stuff, and boom, you will get paid $35, or depending on how much the research that you're applying on costs, and you will be get paid according to what it says here. Now let's say I want to know the bonus tips here. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the bonus tips right now. So when you're on responded.io, you can see here on dashboard, you get an option for share your referral link. And then when you see here, earn $20 when you refer a new respondent user who earns $75 in total incentive. Now, $20 is a little low, so don't worry. Depending on where you're from, each country has different pricing, and some countries even have earn $100, and that's me speaking from an experience. So I would suggest using a VPN, and you probably get that $100 too. But let's just stay with the $20 for now. But you can actually use a VPN and even get up to $50 or even more. It depends on the country you're from, and the lowest is basically 20. So don't worry, you still have a chance to earn a lot of money. So the next thing you're gonna do is go to a website called ShrinkEarn.com. So ShrinkEarn.com is a website where you literally shorten links, and shortening links, like, you definitely don't think you can earn money with that, right? But you actually can. But easily you could just copy this referral link and share it on Facebook and many other websites that you find. But to make it a double earning, I would highly suggest using ShrinkEarn to double your earnings. So the thing we're gonna do is go to ShrinkEarn, type, click that new shorten link button, paste your link, and click shorten. And boom, you have your shortened link. The next thing you're gonna do is simply copy the link and share it onto to your friends or people on Facebook or Twitter, whatever not. Feel free to share it with anyone, and you watch the magic come in. So the reason why you should really use Shrinkburn on this way, because what if somebody doesn't sign up on Respondent using your link? Well, you still will be earning money because they basically viewed your link. And this is how much I just earned by people viewing my link. And on top of that, I've been earning a lot more for the people that actually signed up on my uh, referral link. That's basically allowing me to earn more money than $500. Now, let's go ahead and let me show you on other websites that you can be promoting your links on. So let's go ahead into the first website on the list is discord.com. But Discord is a complicated place to go to. So first of all, you need to find a Discord server, an appropriate server to promote your stuff on. So let's go ahead on disboard.org to find the best Discord server for this. Now, the thing we can do is search money making to find people that are interested in making money and everything. And you can see you have lots of servers that are dedicated into earning money. So let's just say let's join this earn money online server and promote our link there, and I will show you how to exactly promote your link the correct way. And once you join the Discord server, you're going to be taken to a page with lots of options on lots of channels. So what I would suggest going is onto their launch or advertising. So advertising is the best place to go on right now. So the next thing you're going to do is simply copy your referral link with that ShrinkEarn on it, and then type, hey everyone, let me just type out what I want to say. And then once you type your message, simply just type your shortened link. And you can, if you want, you can simply copy the thing I just said. Hey everyone, I'm new here and I was wondering if Respondent is a great place to maximize my profits and passive income. and here's what I've been working on to lately, and basically a link and referral link basically, and they if they sign up, you get money, and if they don't sign up, you still get money. It's either way, you still get money no matter what. It's that simple to get money out of this method, and you can also promote this link on other websites and even forums. So let's go ahead on Google and search money making forums. So if you go on money making forums, you can also post links there, also with the same messages and saying, I'm looking to make money or respondent, and this is a great way. And you can simply put your link. Here's a new cool website where you can easily earn money. It's called Trendry.com. I just came across this on Google, and you can simply do the same thing and watch the magic flow in, and you will be earning hundreds of dollars on your PayPal account easily, no matter what. And I hope this money making method helped you guys out. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and hit the notification bell if you want more videos like this, and also make sure to leave a comment, and I will see you on the next video.